the Lord, my beloved people all over the world. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Twin Mommies TV. Welcome in Jesus' name. Yes, look at it. This is a bonita. This is my Jamaican potato. Okay, look at it. So I planted this during the winter. We're in April. Okay, so this is bonita. I think this is, you can see the potatoes that I put. I think I put 2. Okay, and I put it under the tree, you know, somewhere there. There were 2 of them, the Marisaki or Murisaki or something like that, and this bonita. Okay, so today I just want to I want to make a slip. Okay, although you can just, you know, cut the slip and you can just plant it right away. Okay, I did a video where I showed you guys where you can just, you know, cut the, you know, the stem, you know, and you can just plant it right away. See, these are the potato I've already planted. Okay, you can just plant it right away. Okay, you just, you know, dig it. Okay, you can just dig it inside. Okay, this is not the right tool, but I just want to show you guys. You can just plant it right away. But what you have to do, you have to keep on watering it. You have to water and water. Okay, guys? Or you can just, you know, trim them off, and you can just put them in the water. This is just water. Okay, and few days time, you'll see root will come. Okay, all right, so this is how you make your, yeah. So this one is too big, so no problem, I just cut it down and put it. Okay, you can do it like that. So you leave it and the root will come out, then you can plant it with the root. So today I will try to make, I want to make some slip, but I want to take it from under here, from here. I'm going to yank it out. This one has root, you see. So taking it from right there, the base there. Okay, so that one have root. I like it like that. So it can, these places can still root here, and more root can still come. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. All right, this container is not very big, so I can always you know, change it to my other glass ones that I use. Okay, so yeah, you can just, you know, put that there. Make sure it's in the water, and it's going to bring out more root. Okay, so that's what I did. I came here, you know, this one, they are ready to be rooted. Okay, you see this one, I planted I think this one, the purple. Yeah, this was how I planted it. Come, you can come. 2 weeks ago, this was how I planted this. See, like this. I got the one that had the root. This one is from the I think it's Murasaki. Yeah, because I made a slip, so I took it like that. That is how I did this, and you see they are growing. Look at. Okay, so this one can go into the ground. See, it has some roots. So all you have to do is to keep on watering it. Okay, so that it will be very well rooted. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stick it in the water, because I want it to root, to give me, you know, better root. Okay, guys, so this is what you can do. You can just take it and root it. See, this one is already, it's ready to go in the ground. Okay, all right, so that is it. Very easy. So I did this one during winter. I did a video. I showed you guys how I got the, I started, planting this potato for the sleep. Okay. So yeah, you see this? I'm going to put it here. You can plant this one right away. Okay, guys. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So this one, I just want to make some slips because I've prepared the bed for this. Okay, guys. So I'm going to yank it out. Oh, this one, it doesn't have root, but guess what? It's going to have root when I put inside the water. Okay, guys. So that's how, Okay, I'm just going to root. Put it in the water. So I'm telling you the truth. You're going to see some root very soon. Very soon. Okay, so this is what I do. Okay, so this is Bonita, and I started this since winter, some months back. So I want to make the slip. I want to root the slip. That's what I'm trying to do. Making the slip is when I planted those, when I buried those ones. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. Then just give it a week, like I'm telling you guys. It will start growing. Okay, guys. So this is how I do it. Okay. Okay. Just stick it. It's good to leave at least one leaf. Little leaves. This one is good. This is the tip. So it's always good to plant it. Tip is good. Okay, so you stick it into the water. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And watch it. I'm going to watch the root form. As soon as the root forms the way I want it, then I will just put it and plant it. Okay, guys. So you see, these ones are ready to be planted. Like I told you guys, it's left to you. Whatever you want to do, you can plant it even like this. You can plant it, like you can stick it like I talked that, but you have to water, or you can put it in to make the root. Okay? But when you stick it like this, you have to keep on watering it every day. Maybe you can even water it twice. I don't know. So, but when you when there is the root, yeah, make it easier, but you still have to see that. See, this is the tip. Okay. All right. So that's it. So like all these ones, they are ready because I'm sure this one it will have root. These ones are so good because when they have root, you can just plant it immediately. Oh, yeah. You see, I was able to get this root. I think the root is still in there. Okay. All right. So now, okay, guys. Yeah, it's still going to come out the root. All right. This one will give me good root. See, there's root already. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. Just like in about a week, you will see the roots will all come out like, then you'll be ready to put them in the ground. Okay, guys. All right. So this is also what I want to show you. Okay. Because when I planted that one, I didn't do a video. So I said, let me make a video to show you guys that at any stage, like this stage, you can plant this like this on the ground. Okay. Or if you want roots to come out first, so that to make it easier. All right, guys. So I'm just going to let this be, and we're going to watch this grow. Then I will put it, because I have the bed ready on the other side. Okay. So these are the ones. These are the slips that I bought. I bought those slips. Okay. These are the slips. Okay. But this other one that I showed you guys, this is the one that I made. Yeah, my body, that is Murasaki. This particular one, yeah, I made that, the slip. Okay, so I planted that 2 weeks ago. And it's great. That one had little roots in it. Okay, guys. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I think I'm going to transfer, this into a bigger, a longer cup, so that container, so that it can, root properly. All right, guys. So they root so easily. So maybe I might give you guys an update before I plant them, or maybe I will give you guys update when I'm planting them. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. And what I want to let you guys know, this potato was the one that I planted. This will be the third year. This is the second year. This will be the third year when these ones grow. Okay, I had one that I bought. I made a slip from the potato. Okay, we ate some and I kept some to make a slip. Okay, so that is what I did. So once you buy your potato, you can always make slips, year after year. Okay, and sometimes when you make this slip like this, you don't have to put it here to root before you put it in the ground. You put it in the ground, or in the container, but you have to keep on watering. Okay, make sure that it's wet so that it can the root can form. All right, guys. So this is my second potato, the second year generation. Yeah. Okay. So, and I made this slip. So this slip will be the third, right? Yeah, the third generation. All right, guys. So that's how I do it. So I just want to show you guys that yes, you can buy the potatoes because they are expensive when you are buying them. But if you see anyone online that you like, you can buy them. Once you plant them one time, guess what? You can have it on and on and on, and you can give it out, and you can keep it. You eat some, you plant some, you make a slip out of some, you eat some, you plant some. So year after year after year. Okay, guys. All right, thanks for watching. God bless you always. Shalom.